An electrician working on the first Jersey Mike's sub store in Michigan had major problems with the sound system. It sounded horrible, so he invited our company to quote. Most business owners are not aware that if the wiring and speakers are not placed in their best listening locations, the music can actually annoy customers who may not return. Customers come to Jersey Mike's to enjoy a meal, and the experience is enhanced by a well-designed sound system. In fact, most franchise owners don't know that if the wiring for sound systems, networks, phone systems, and surveillance cameras are not installed correctly, then building inspectors can and will flag the installation with code violations. This can quickly run up additional costs and delay a store's opening. To date, we've installed wiring and equipment for audio, network, phone, and surveillance cameras in more than 20 Jersey Mike's locations around Greater Detroit. One franchise owner bid out to other contractors to save a few dollars. Unfortunately, inexperienced contractors used the wrong type of wiring, improperly installed it, and caused code violations which held up the entire building process until the wiring was removed and properly installed. With engineers on staff, what we bring is an affordable, well-rounded team for system configurations, audio acoustics, and how to give your customers a great experience. Based on our company's experience and all the things that can go wrong, consider hiring one company to do all the wiring for audio, network, phone, and surveillance cameras. And it really should be a company with installation, design, and engineering skills so that everything works as a finely tuned system for the best owner, employee, and customer experience. This is John Horger. Thanks for watching our video.